Back guys, Stu from UK Beeman here. Today I'm going to be showing you an overwintered nuke, just doing a quick check on it. I'm not going to be going in doing an intrusive search. I'm just going to do a feed and have a little look to see how these are doing. It's been pretty cold lately, about 5 degrees, a couple of days before Christmas, and as you can see, all my fondant has been used. I wouldn't expect to see fondant being drawn right now. As you can see in one of my previous videos, that at below 10 degrees they don't tend to go for syrup, they like to just go for fondant. They don't like being disturbed either at this time, but they are generally the most quietest in the winter. Very good looking colony. You can see that they're still feeding on the fondant by there. Really good, so I'm really happy with that. Just to show a difference between fondant and my feed, I will put some syrup in there to show you. They may feed, they may not, but it's better than it going to general waste. So just gonna pop that all in there like so. One of my other ones by here, I just want to show you how much this colony has already consumed. They have literally straight away demolished all of that, so really pleased with that. Obviously they're a little aggy at me, so we'll just get them to pop down for 5. Down you go, ladies. Come on. I know you're not used to it this time of year. Down you go. So I want to get some fondant on you guys, just like so. That was some of my own made by there. So we're going to use now some hivealive, and I'm just going to cut straight through there, like so, straight by there, like so. I know where my line is now, so straight there, straight there, on we go. They're really aggy. I don't blame you. It's cold. Why would you want to be disturbed right now? Let's get you across like that, and in we go. Don't worry, you'll love me in a second. And in, straight on top. Box back on. Bees will find their way in. And they don't like being moved. It's not a great location to put your nukes, but it works for me. I'm just gonna have a little look inside, see how we're doing. And I wonder if we can have a little peeky poo how this is going. Wow, very healthy. Feels like a light box though, so I'm not gonna lie. Good, beautiful quality buckfast, just nice underneath. Some honey stores on top, still broken. So I actually think they're in a really good position. And I'm just gonna give them a bit of hivealive across there, just to see how they do with that, and hopefully not aggravating too much. Ooh, yep, aggravating now. Definitely bothered by being disturbed in the winter. These don't like that as they're sitting. Let's pop a bit of syrup in the top of there as well. We'll see how that goes for them. Double trouble, it doesn't make any difference really if they use it or they don't, but it's just nice the idea that they have got it. And we can see how that goes. Also provides a bit of weight, but you don't have a perfect gap. You can get the super boxes to go on these, which is really good as well. And that works really, really well. If you want to put fondant in there, if you're struggling like I just was there, because I got to give them a wiggle through, which they don't really like. Not that you can really blame them. Let's just push that through by there. Definitely one way to upset your bees. There we go. But they go straight back in. You can literally watch them trail their way back in, across there, and that's that. It is also very normal to see a few dead bees during the winter across the entrance by there, so don't panic if you see that. That's just the way it goes. Once again, give them that. Expect them to be aggy. Beautiful looking colony by here. Very positive on the top. So once again, really pleased. Let's just get them to pop down, please. Good honey stores still, so I'm really happy to see that. It's getting them through nice and strong. And because I'm having some issues with how it's going in, I'm just going to slide it in like so, and then leave the bees to do their magic. Much more gentler, this lot. Much more gentler. Thank you. And then that can go by there. Top them up. And that's just taken me, I don't know, about 40 minutes to feed 9 colonies. So I think that's pretty good. That's it, guys, as simple as that. Literally all my nukes fully sorted. On the previous video, all of my big hives done. Check on them in a couple of months or weeks and see how they're doing. Plenty of stores, so I'm happy. I know that they're happy. I know the cold hasn't dramatically hurt them, so leave them to it. They do best, they know best. We are being taught from the bees. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe, hit that bell for when I do another video so you get a notification. And until then, take care, stay safe. Weird world we're living in at the moment. Hello, lovely. That was a very aggressive come to my face, wasn't it? Anyway, from us two, bye.